Hey everybody, I'm going to show a quick way to install one of these GM truck bed tie-down anchors. This is GM part number 231468889. I believe that's right there. Yeah, there we go, 231468889. Got these off of Amazon, a little bit better price. Anyway, I've already got one installed over here. There, did that a little bit earlier today. So I'm going to make a video or show you in my video how to do this next one using just a very quick technique, and also this will help you. Got a little technique to keep it from turning on you and getting out of a line as you're trying to tighten it down. So what you'll need is a drill. You need one of these I-hook anchors. This is a bolt style. Doesn't have the carriage bolt, but it's just standard bolt style hook anchors. Make sure you have like the open end. You'll see why here in a second. Thread that into your drill, like so. Then, from one of the big box stores, you can get one of these plumber's wrench. This is obviously the Husky brand from Home Depot, but this is an adjustable plumber's wrench, and this comes in handy for holding the tie-down anchor like that. So let's see, something like that as you're tightening it up. You'll see why in a second. And then of course you'll need like a large adjustable wrench for gripping the tie-down point itself when you're tightening up. Or you could use a screwdriver too. So you got to pop off the little plastic covers. I've got this one partially popped off right here. Exposes the hole. You take your tie-down anchor. These act like a wallboard toggle bolt. They go inward to go into the hole when you insert it, and then they flip back out to grab the opposite side of the truck bed. And then as you tighten it down, this screw goes inward and basically pulls this this little toggle towards the back of this to go up against the truck bed. So put it in. It's in. This is where this little handy thing comes into play. Take this and carefully, slowly tighten it up. There's a lot of play in it, as you can see. Okay, so there's a ways to go. So begin to tighten it up. The drill and the hook makes it a lot faster than just turning this thing by hand. There it is, it's beginning to tighten up. So then we can take the adjustable plumber's wrench and grab the sides of it like that. Give it a little twist. Let's see, yeah, we're already pretty tight right there. But I mean, it's just about snug enough. It can still turn. That's where you take the combination of your large crescent wrench or screwdriver and just shove it through the hole here. I like the crescent wrench because I can go across the whole body here. Anyway, take your adjustable plumber's wrench, grab the body of the anchor tie down, hold it with your left hand or whatever handed you are. Begin to turn. You're basically keeping the anchor in line while you tighten down the tie-down anchor, or keeping the base in line, I should say. And let's see, is that where I want it? Let's see how much I can twist it. That's pretty tight. I might see if I can go a little bit more. By the way, you can turn these. Once you get it to a certain tightness or snug down very tight, you can actually see me pulling on the bed right there a little bit. You can either have these pointing vertical or horizontal, whatever angle you want. But that's as tight as I want that one to go. I don't want to go any further. And they're rated to, each one is rated to hold 250 pounds, just like from the factory. But that's it. That's already done. That took me, what, less than just a few minutes here. When I did my first one, I was cranking down by hand with this. Seemed like forever. Then I had the idea of getting this, just like I use for putting in eye hooks into walls or ceilings. That's it.